Mount Hood's a fun place. We can't always see the top of it, but when it reveals itself, you do see that you are on the side of a volcano. Ski patrolling is a fun job that's a whole lot deeper than it looks. Most of the guests don't see the vast majority of our work. They see us skiing, and the job looks pretty fun. And so little do they know how much manual labor is behind the scenes. Most of our patrollers love the job because of the diversity of what we do and how we really never know what we're going to do every day. Being prepared in ski patrol means showing up ready for anything. Having your pack ready with extra gloves, extra gear, the right tools. The Leatherman is in most ski patrollers' packs for all of the tasks that we don't expect to do every day. I love hearing thanks for keeping us safe, but it really is, it's a collaboration between the mountain operations staff, our ski patrollers, and our guests.